Here's the sixth question from Digital SAT Test 3 Module 2B. This is our set of math questions. And it's saying that angle R and angle S is 90 degrees and it's right triangle RST. Sine of R equals root 15 over 4. And we need the cosine of S. Since R plus S equals 90, then the sine of one has to equal the cosine of the other. In other words, if the sine of R equals root 15 over 4, then the cosine of S also has to equal root 15 over 4. To see the proof for this, check us out. Go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center. When you click on that playlist, find Test 3 Module 2B Math. It's a hard set of math questions. And these longer videos are just above this shorter video. Have a great day.